Coming across my desk today is the new beard and hairline pencil from the Forte series. This, I have to admit, isn't my usual deal. It's not something I usually cover and use, but I also have to admit the Forte series hasn't steered me wrong yet, so I'm just going to give you guys a close-up look at this new product and see what it can offer me and my sad beard. And of course, you're going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to offer a couple of you the chance to try this for free. First, though, a couple of details on this new product. The all-new beard and hairline pencil from the Forte series is designed to instantly transform your uneven hairline and patchy beard into a polished, well-defined look. You see, the way this works here is there's a wax pencil side and a brush side. They have three different shade offerings. I'm using the dark brown as that's the most dominant of the three colors, including gray, that is invading my sad story of a beard. And speaking of that, let's just attack this head on. My beard isn't very good, never really has been. It's just never been in the cards for me. So in theory, this is a product that could benefit me. As I said, this isn't something I normally use or go for, so I don't have a whole lot of expertise in this area, but my gut is telling me that this is something that's probably a try and make it look like you aren't wearing any type of situation. So I'm going to just go in and use the wax side of the pencil and just kind of dab some on in the wonderful areas where my beard has abandoned me. And then I'm going to take the brush side and begin blending and attempting to make it look like it's been there the whole time. I mean, that's really the whole point, right? I will say too, as I'm seeing some results here, this doesn't take long. As I've said in the past with most new products, if they take a lot of my time, you can pretty much guarantee I won't use them. But this is very quick and very easy. Here's actually a look at the side that's done versus the opposite side, and you can see there is a subtle but definite difference, which I have to admit is pretty nice. When I go ahead and finish the other side here just to bring everything together, this is the end result that I get, and compared to the before shot, it's pretty easy to see that this seems to work pretty well on my, once again, very sad beard. I mean, I got to admit it, I think it looks pretty good, and I like the fact that it's not going to just like reveal itself and wash off immediately. I mean, if you really want to, you can take some water and pull it off, but if you're just going to dab it on, use it, and then go out for the evening, it's going to stay there. It's going to look natural. It's not going to look crazy. Once again, it's not going to look like a clown makeup or anything like that. And just because I'm having good results with it doesn't mean this is going to be something I'm going to use every day. I'm not sure I see myself getting up in the morning, patching up my beard with a pencil here, but I do like the fact that I can add it to my toolkit. It's something that I know how to use and something that I know works, and I definitely believe in having as many tools as you can in your toolkit. And if you'd like to try this for yourself, you can find it at the Forte series shop, linked down below. This does sell for $21 US. I do have a coupon code for my subscribers that's listed down there as well, right next to the link to the special giveaway for my subscribers graciously offered by the Forte series. And just like all the others we've done recently, you just have to be a subscriber and you gotta just follow the link to the Gleam platform and enter to win. They're offering two prizes to two different subscribers, and you've got 1 week to enter, and it is open worldwide. Let me know too in the comment section what you think about this new product. I think it's a pretty cool direction. I think it's something different, something new. It's not the same old thing. It's fun to experience new things like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking this out with me. That's all I got for today. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Make sure you do the big three for me: like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, take it easy. I'll see you next time.